Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your CDTFA return. First, ensure you have all your sales and use tax records ready. This includes total sales, taxable sales, and any deductions. Next, log into your CDTFA online account. If you don't have one, you'll need to register. The portal guides you through the process, making it straightforward to report your business activities accurately and on time. Let's get started. Once logged in, select the File a Return option and choose the appropriate reporting period. You'll then enter your gross receipts and any deductions, such as sales for resale or sales to exempt organizations. The system automatically calculates your tax liability. Double-check all entries for accuracy to avoid errors. This step is crucial for ensuring your return reflects your actual business activity and tax obligations. Many businesses qualify for various deductions and credits that can significantly lower their tax burden. Common deductions include sales for resale, sales to the U.S. government, or sales delivered outside California. Be sure to accurately report these. If applicable, apply any available credits. Always keep meticulous records supporting every deduction and credit claimed, as this is vital for potential audits. Proper documentation saves you time and money. After reviewing your entire return, click Submit. You'll receive a confirmation number, which you should save for your records. Next, proceed to the payment section. You can pay via electronic funds transfer, credit card, or other approved methods. Ensure your payment is made by the due date to avoid penalties. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Filing accurately and on time keeps your business compliant and running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.